Hey, boys and girls, it's Mr. Mac. Today we are going to be learning how to use powers of 10 and exponents. So we're going to start out right here at the top of this page. It says a place value chart can help you understand the values of digits in larger numbers. You can use exponents to describe how the values of the digits are related. So we've got our place value chart here that we've worked with in the past. We've got the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, hundreds, 100,000s, and millions. So right here, we'll start with the tens place. We have 10 is equal to 10 to the first power. All right. And then 100 is equal to 10 to the second power. The biggest thing you have to understand when we're looking at 10 to the second power, that means we have 10 times 10. Okay. The 2 in that exponent is telling you how many times you're multiplying 10 by itself. You know that 10 times 10 already equals 100. What you also realize is that this 2 here also tells you how many zeros are going to be in your answer here. Really important in today's lesson is to understand that. Okay, so 10 times 3 is now going to be 10 times 10 times 10. We're multiplying 10 by itself 3 times. Again, notice this exponent is a 3. How many zeros are there here? 1, 2, 3. Again, the exponent in a power of 10 is going to tell you how many zeros follow behind the 1. All right, so 10 to the fourth is going to be 10 times itself 4 times. Again, the exponent is a 4, and the value has 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros there. And we could keep going on to show you 10 to the fifth power would be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, 5 times, or just know it's a 1 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. All right, so that's the easiest way to understand powers of 10 and how the exponents relate to the zeros in the digit, which is going to be a big thing for us to see later on in this lesson. Okay, so when we go down here, it says think the number of zeros to the right of the digit can be used to write a number using a power of 10. So again, what does that mean? Let's look at this example. It says there are 4 zeros to the right of 10,000. So it can be written as, and it gives you choices here. Okay, 10 to the fourth, 10 to the fifth, or 10 to the sixth. Well, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be 10 to the fourth power. Okay, so in word form, when we read this number, they're asking, okay, 10,000 is the blank power of 10. Well, what's the power here? 4. So that's going to be the fourth power of 10. And we check it, and we got it right. Woohoo! All right. So let's keep moving on to the next part here. Now, here is when we start multiplying by powers of 10. Okay. So in this problem here, we have 5 times 10 to the third power, which again, 10 to the third power is a 1 with 3 zeros. So really what you're doing in this problem is you're multiplying 10 times 1,000. I'm sorry, 5 times 1,000, excuse me. Well, some of you are like, well, I can't multiply by the thousands place. Well, the nice thing when you multiply by these powers of 10, guys, you do 5 times 1 is 5, and then you just add on those zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So down here, we have 3 times 10 to the sixth. So 10 to the sixth is a 1 with 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Okay, and the comma we start in the end and we count 3 digits and we count 3 digits, right? So we're going to be multiplying 3 times 1 million. Okay, so again, don't get scared. You now know multiplication facts to the millions, all right? Because 3 times 1 is 3, and then we add on the 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we check our work, and we did it. Okay, so again, the biggest things you guys have to understand about this lesson is the exponent, when we have a power of 10, tells you how many zeros are following the 1. And when you're multiplying by powers of 10, you multiply the number you have times 1, and you put that down. And then the exponent with the 10 tells you how many zeros you add on to the answer. All right, watch this video again if you want a little bit of clarification. Good luck with the assignments, guys.